All right, so you got an old Chevy truck and you need a handle so you can close your door and you don't have to grab onto the window or anything anymore. You take a look and maybe 1971 looked like this right here. Maybe you didn't like 71 style. No big deal. Nice thing about Chevy, very ambidextrous. This one here was 64 to 67 are more of your basic models, but it'll fit all the way to 71 and all the way down to 1955, which this is actually the 1955 right here. Personally, I like this the best. I think it looks the most modern, the most sleek. It comes with this little strip right here, this little aluminum strip. You can get it done in different colors of upholstery right here. So this is personally my favorite. But like I said, this came 64 to 67. Here's your 67 to 71. But you can interchange these any way you want. So whatever you like the best is the way you can go. And the colors, never before have I ever seen all the different colors that were available. Used to be black was the only color you would be able to get. But these days, anything goes. And the quality of the material that they're using to make these is a lot better. The manufacturing process they're using to make these is a lot better. These are going to last you longer than the original equipment stuff does. Now, there is one exclusion to my little trip right here, and that is 1972. This is the only style that goes on 72 door panel. But you can also swap out door panels any which way you like. If you like the metal door panel from 67, you want to paint it a different color, put upholstery on it, whatever. It's very, very versatile. That's a thing I love about Chevy, is you can dress it up all kinds of different ways by only using the original equipment stuff. So go online, check out all your choices, and let us know what looks best on your truck. We're here to help you out. You check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, because next week I'm going to come up with another video, and if you miss it, you're going to feel bad. I don't want that to happen. We'll see you on the road, man.